Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make great quesadillas, full guide. Begin by warming a dry skillet to medium heat and prepping fillings and tortillas. Keep your cheese grated and ready, and organize cooked proteins, vegetables, and sauces. Use tortillas at room temperature to avoid tearing. Work in a clean area with a spatula ready and a plate nearby for resting finished quesadillas before slicing. Choose fillings that balance flavor, texture, and moisture to avoid soggy quesadillas. Mix a melty cheese with a flavorful cheese so each bite has both stretch and taste. Keep proteins cooked and chopped small, and sauté vegetables until they release moisture, and then dry slightly. Layer fillings lightly to prevent overstuffing and allow heat to travel, giving you golden crisp outsides and perfectly melted insides every time. Mastering heat is the secret to great quesadillas, so cook on medium and be patient. Press gently with a spatula to encourage even melting and golden browning, and flip only once to keep fillings intact. If your skillet runs hot, lower the flame rather than rush the cook. Let finished quesadillas rest a minute so the cheese sets slightly, making clean slices that hold together without spilling fillings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.